Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your volume keeps muting automatically on the system, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, go to settings and then go to system, look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters and then run the audio troubleshooter. The next thing is to update the device audio drivers. So go to device manager and then click on the audio inputs and outputs. Now, if you're using speakers as the output device, right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and that should do it. If this doesn't do it and if it still keeps automatically muting, then you can right click on it, click on uninstall device, uninstall, and then you can click on, make sure you click on audio inputs and outputs, action, and then click on scan for hardware changes, and it will automatically install the driver. Now, if that too doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to search for the audio drivers manually, go to the browser, all right, and then you need to enter your system's model number. How will you find the model number? If you're using a laptop, then look at the bottom side, you'll find a sticker on there, you will find the model number. So I have an Asus laptop E1504FA, so I look for the audio drivers, open the link and then look for drivers and tools. Now here it is 64-bit. How do I know whether my system is a 62-bit or a 32-bit? I look for system information, open, and then look at the system type, x64 base PC, so it's a 64. If it's x86 for you, then you have to download the 32-bit. So you'll go down, click on others, and then you look for the 32-bit one. Now I need to download the Realtek codec console application. I'll download it and then it will install on my computer. Now if that too doesn't work, then we need to reset the Windows operating system. I mean, these should work definitely. This is the last drastic step, but if these don't work, then the only option you have is to reset the operating system. For that, you'll right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on system, click on recovery and then click on reset PC. Now once you click on reset PC, you'll click on remove everything, but only click on remove everything if you can back up your personal data, because this will clean everything on Windows and install a fresh Windows operating system. So remove everything and then click on cloud download. But when you're clicking on cloud download, make sure that you have a good internet connection and you have a stable internet connection. Click on next and then you need to click on reset. The next button will be reset. Click on reset and it will shut down the computer and install a fresh version of Windows operating system on your computer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.